Hey there guys, welcome to our channel. So recently a new Redmi phone has appeared on TENAA with model number M2003J15SC and it's listed as the Redmi 10X 4G. Now this is apparently what the Redmi Note 9 will be called for the Chinese market. Although we already knew some information about the Redmi Note 9, there are some new details available this time around, including the price, SoC and colors. So stay tuned, I'll be back with all the information right after this. The rear design is very similar to the Redmi Note 9 Pro, featuring a near identical camera housing but with the addition of rear mounted fingerprint scanner. Although in the front we have a punch hole, but it isn't center mounted like the Pro variant, it's on the side. It will get USB-C port and 3.5mm port at the bottom, and dual SIM with microSD card slot will also be available. After looking at the design itself, we don't think there's any doubt left that this is the actual Redmi Note 9. As for specs, according to TENAA, it includes a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus 2340x1080p LCD screen. Now don't expect a high refresh rate display because even the Pro variant didn't feature that. The processor is where things get interesting. Earlier it was believed that the Redmi Note 9 could come with Mediatek Helio G80 processor, but now it's confirmed to come with Helio G85 chipset, coupled with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. There will also be 3GB and 4GB RAM with 32 and 64GB memory options. As for cameras, the Redmi 10X or Redmi Note 9 will have 4 cameras with 48MP main camera, plus 8MP plus 2MP plus another 2MP lens arranged inside a square-shaped module. On the front, it will feature a 13MP sensor for selfies. The battery capacity will be huge. It's a 50-20mAh cell, but currently there is no information of fast charging. The phone will run on Android 10 with MIUI 11. The pricing is also revealed. This 128GB device will cost Yuan 1499. If converted to Indian rupees, it will be around 16,000 rupees. But don't count this as final pricing. There are other factors involved which we haven't considered yet. It will launch in 3 colors: the sky blue, pine morning green and ice fog white. We don't know when it will launch, but we are pretty sure that it will launch soon in China, given that it has already appeared on TENAA. So that's it for today guys, hope it was helpful. See you in the next one. Peace out.